Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. You are watching 12 DIYs of Giveaways, which is my annual fundraiser for Christ Hope International. We have been able to raise over $30,000 for them, and I am so excited to see what we can add to that number this year. For the next 12 days, we're gonna be doing gift ideas.
You guys raised $7,875. $10,640.
$12,900.
$900.
With my community, we've been able to give that money, and I'm just so grateful that I've been blessed with an amazing platform, but also amazing people who watch my channel who have joined me in this cause every single year. So always want to start by saying thank you guys. Christ Hope International is an organization I've been a part of since 2010. My first trip to Africa was life-changing. I plan to go again this year, and I'm really praying that I can bring you guys alongside through stories on Instagram and a vlog series, and really update you guys in person on what is happening, especially since our community has raised over $30,000 for Christ Hope International. Can you guys just give yourselves a hand for this? I just feel so inadequate. I've been able to witness the life-changing effects it has had on these children, and I am just ecstatic that God has called me to have this call in my life and used the platform that I have through crafting to be able to support this. So I just want to say thank you. Thank you to Christ Hope International most of all, to be the hands and feet of Jesus to these children and to walk alongside them and to love them. You're gonna hear me say CHI a lot because it is way shorter to say, but that is who we are raising money for this year through 12 DIYs of giveaways. I've got hundreds of ideas for you guys to give to your family this year, and I'm hoping that it inspires you, but also you'll learn a little bit more about what we raise money for every year, which is CHI.